We made a great game out of spaghetti and the colander. We're going to show you how to do it so you can play too.
First, you need a colander.
A colander is a strainer that you use in the kitchen, like when you're washing fruit or dumping cooked vegetables into it. The holes let the water run out. Next, you need some dry spaghetti.
Any kind of long pasta.
It just can't be cooked. Then, you need to put the dry spaghetti through the hole of the colander. And you have to push it through one hole to get it all the way to the other side.
It can be whatever way you want. Go crazy.
You need to make it so it goes all the way to the other side.
If a piece breaks of the dry spaghetti, it's no problem.
We're making a net of spaghetti inside the colander.
When the net is ready, you can put in a ball.
A very light ball, like a ping pong ball or a foam ball.
The ball should be light enough to sit on top of the pasta. Gently drop your ball on top of the spaghetti net.
Each person takes turns pulling a piece of pasta out. The goal of the game is to pull out the pasta and get the ball to the bottom. I'm picking this one because it's under the ball and it has better chances of making it fall.
You were so close.
I want to choose this one because it's holding the ball up.
Yes! And that's how you play spaghetti net!
Touch here for more great videos. Come on, come play with us. Or touch here to subscribe.